As you realized, because I assigned the wrong step based on my variable, I stuck on infinite loop here. So again, always save then run your code to not lose it, and be careful about your assignment. For example, data type here, instead of integer, if I set something like single, will solve my problem. Let's run. Go to the developer and macro and run it, and there it is. Now we have the points. Actually, because I didn't add the carriage, I cannot see easily VBCR. Okay. Run the macro again. And there it is. Every half step we have here. So it is very important to save and assign correct steps or correct values based on your variable types or functions.